Hello artists and welcome to Mr. Melvin Makes. Having perfectly cut paper is a necessity in the art studio. That's why I sometimes use a paper cutter to help me. This tool can be extremely helpful when used safely and incredibly dangerous when used unsafely. So here are some things to know about the paper cutter. The paper cutter is made up of a surface for measuring and holding materials and a cutting arm for cutting perfect straight lines. Lift the cutting arm up, slide the materials underneath, holding them firmly in place, then carefully lower the cutting arm to make a cut. This tool is only ever used to cut paper, cardboard, or similar materials. So I make sure that whatever I am cutting is the only thing under the cutting arm. Never put any part of your body or another person's body under the cutting arm. Before I use the paper cutter, I have to decide how much material I need and what size I need it to be. This paper cutter can cut about 8 or fewer sheets of construction paper at a time. If I try to cut too much at once, it may result in crooked or torn cuts. I don't bite off more than I can chew, so I never try to cut more than the paper cutter can handle. I can use the lines and numbers on the paper cutter surface to measure out the size I need my material to be cut. Then I lower the cutting arm carefully. I repeat this process until my job is done. Before I leave the paper cutter, I like to grab a broom and dustpan to sweep up any paper shreds. I also have to make certain to lower the paper cutting arm, leaving it better than I found it. Then I hurry off to make something special with my freshly cut materials. I hope you found this video helpful. Happy paper cutting, artists. Enjoy.